What's the length of side QT in triangle QTS to the left? We can do a little deduction before we start looking at the statements, and it's going to help us a lot. Remember that if two angles in the triangle are equal, the sides opposite them are equal. So QT is equal to RT because the angles opposite those sides are equal, and we have an isosceles triangle. The other thing we can tell is the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. That's because, just take that angle here, we have QRS. This angle is 2x. This angle is going to be 180 minus 2x, right? Because they're in a straight line and they add up to 180. Likewise, the angles inside a triangle add up to 180. So whatever angle this is, the other two add up to 180 minus that angle. So these two angles opposite the angle R here, these two angles themselves must equal 2x. And if x is one of the angles, then x is the other angle too. Now we know that these two sides of angle RTS are also the same. So RS is also equal to QT. So we have QT, I'll erase that. QT is equal to RT, which is in turn equal to RS. We have two isosceles triangles next to each other. So if that's the case, if we get any one of those three, we will be able to solve for the side length of QT. So statement 1 tells us line segment RS is equal to 10. RS equals QT, so they're both 10. Statement 1 is sufficient. We can cross off B, C, and E. Statement 2 tells us that x equals 20. It gives us the angle measures, but with no sides, we're not going to be able to solve for QT. So statement 2 on its own is insufficient, leaving us with answer choice A.